everyone, and welcome back to my greenhouse and garden. It's time to finally get this pond fully installed. Today we are going to be smoothing out the hole, getting the pond in place, and then putting the dirt around the pond and getting it all set up to put some water in it. So let's go ahead and let's get started. I've been fighting with this hose for about 15 minutes now. Yeah. Yes! I did it! Oh, man. Yay! All right, there she is. She's all installed. We ran out of rock. This is all the rock that I've collected from all the trenches, putting in hoses, and so collecting on the way. I do have a few other rock piles actually, thinking about it. So I will continue the rocks and, you know, collect them here and there when I find them. I do have a creek that runs right here, so I can probably most likely find some more there. So yeah, it is looking fantastic. And all I have to do now is put some pond flowers, and I'm gonna be putting all my flowers that I've been growing around the pond. I'm probably going to be putting in a couple of driftwood pieces that we have from our snake cage, and I'm going to be putting that in there so whatever animal gets in there can come out. All right, everyone, well, I hope you liked this video. I will see you in the next. Bye.